Yeah, but how many do you have on you?
One.
That's fine. But did we lose our pockets? Do we have a storage crate on the ship somewhere?
Oh, can we come in? They're shooting low. What the fuck?
They shot a flare, by the way. Are we ready?
No, I'm not there.
Oh, okay. Well, wait then.
We can just fucking go, man. Okay, I'm here. 250. No, what? 150. No, 100 now.
Yeah, it's jamming.
No, 0.
Okay, are we ready?
Yep.
Yeah.
Then I'll shoot a flare here and we'll begin.
Just shoot. Don't shoot flare.
Okay, buddy.
Defuse that shit. No.
Go far away, just go close.
Jump front.
We lost so many chains and so much food because of that shit. Ukraine game.
We can hit these, by the way.
Yeah, but it's just like I don't want to waste cannons.
Just starting shooting.
Probably raise front here.
It's okay. Let's try it out.
I don't know. I mean, you're gonna regret it soon if we don't do it soon.
They'll chop it.
Into the.
The sun.
Ah, fuck it. Raise it with me covering.
Yeah.
I have to lead so much. I'm hitting though.
I don't wanna say I told you so.
You told me. It's okay.
It's fine. I mean, I get your point as well.
Shooting right now.
What? What do you mean?
I'm shooting.
Oh. So every time
Gold
I do
MC.
something, like, killing me. That kind
Nah.
of thing.
Send 2 chains and pump again.
Okay. Got the bag.
Then one more.
Nice.
Got the
We gotta get into the habit of hitting like when we shoot as well.
I mean, I hit both mine.
I got
think
the-
it's only
I
hit
got
with
the-
I'm just saying. Yeah, you can go. They're 3, but they'll be down.
I think they're like shooting now.
1 extra shot from. I guess he went down right off. No,
3.
3 shooting.
Pretty sure.
I'm almost dead.
I'm hitting
Yeah.
good. Don't worry. We can play water.
Yeah.
There you go, play water.
Wait, I'm gonna take shot myself in a second. So
Nobody shooting, what the fuck?
that's not a day.
That's
Bold
far
on,
from
bold
the-
C. I'm going, bye bye.
I'm
No,
300
no,
ping,
no,
by the
no,
way.
no.
Don't go. Don't go.
He's watching from wheel. Clapped him.
Shoot front cyclic, Antonio. I'm on cannons now. Can shoot top deck for copper.
Especially on pro runners.
I'm still lagging. I have to end YouTube stream, I think.
Hit him 5 times for back. And they're saying the pressure. Awful on this back, I guess.
Yo, YouTube chat. I'm gonna be live on Twitch. I have to end stream because it's causing my ping to go up. Sorry, guys. See you. I'm live on Twitch.
Yeah.
SnowyFPS.
I'll check in a sec. Bring the ship over. God, there's
Drop
no
front.
bullets. We need everything. I'm not gonna. We should probably just like nobody have chains and pockets, and then you can grab the chains when you go to reball the first time, just in case we get kicked. I don't want to lose 20 chains or again.
Yeah, we lost like 15, I think.
Yeah, 10.
Oh, my ping is still high even though I end YouTube.
Oh my god, they're all spamming me.
So it's a game problem. They probably had high ping.
Who, me?
Time to visit barber? No, I'll cut my own hair. I like my hair long. Nothing wrong with it. Are you still high ping?
I'm fine. I don't know what that was.
I'll restart.
Go for it, I'll fix the dark rate meanwhile.
I'll start YouTube again then. Maybe it's fixed. Nothing wrong with my hair, Cord. What you saying, bro? What's up, Martin? I'm good, how are you?
Back. You dive?
I'm rejoining, you can
waiting.
dive.
Oh, okay.
I'm just gonna grab pockets after we dive up, because I don't want to lose my pockets. How about no? Maybe you should do the same, Snowy.
I'll be empty pockets, so.
Yeah. I'm not gonna grab pockets after that race sale.
It happens every time, like someone take food when we're diving. I don't know.
Doing good? That's good to hear, brother.
That was fast.
Wags or
Maybe it's-
Zabiv or
Pew Pew.
Pew Pew.
It's pew pew. So we focus now. Cyclic,
Yeah.
can you help raise front sail, please?
Now, sir. It's okay.
It's okay.
Are we in the bathroom, Snowy?
No, you're just drinking water.
Ah.
Bro,
Wait,
you
let me.
you can't talk about other people's mics, Cyclic.
Huh?
You can't talk about other people's mics. You have the worst one.
Stop.
They need
Okay.
subs or no?
Probably not. They haven't been playing for like 30-40 minutes, I think.
I don't think they subs. If they did, then we just DM.
Or they'll shoot one out and ask. They're not gonna.
Welcome down.
Oh my god.
Calm waves.
Do we have or do they?
We.
Did you release?
Yeah.
What
That's
about?
good. Drop.
Drop front.
Last year I got.
Yep.
Wanna chop here?
The aiming fucking my cannons are locked.
Yeah, just swap.
Front. Got the mid. What's on here?
Yeah.
Big thing.
Thank you.
Trying to keep the calm waves as well.
Now that it's your back.
Calm waves on cannon 4 if you want, Tony. I need to adjust wheel.
I have
I'm
some
shooting
flaggers,
with
I
you.
think. Like now.
Tony catch.
Catch me, Tony.
I got.
Drop.
Thank you. Remember to throw it out.
Open front. So.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to turn in a second, so I just open front and I turn.
Then
Send
one.
one,
Impossible. Like what?
And he's shooting.
Two.
2.
That means that Flex is soloing.
One shooting now.
He's up
I
on the
want-
bomb. There's 2 left. Oh shit. Catch mid, maybe. Catch.
I'm here.
Tony, catch.
Yeah, caught. Don't panic.
Go, go, go.
Caught.
Chase out.
Yeah,
Catch
he's
again,
on.
catch again.
Hit him once.
Oh, don't splash. No.
I don't understand. Like.
No, I was me.
Well played.
That's why I was panicking, because somebody had to catch.
I caught as well there, by the way.
Oh, I splashed it.
Did you flash?
Yeah, but the water was already in the map. I was there, final.
Raw. What are you saying like that? Unfortunate.
Like when you call catch, I went down. It's like it's 2 buckets to catch.
I caught
Yeah, I
mine
mean, it
as
was
well just before
Fine.
that. That's
But when
why
I
I
came down to
went
pocket again,
back
it
up.
just went up to the map table, but Cyclic said he splashed, I guess it makes sense.
No, wait. Oh no, I didn't specials, no.
I didn't catch any splashes.
But you got hit by Blunder or no? Why you didn't call me down?
I just get hit by blunder. And that's why I got caught mid and we were fine. And then we just hit map table, someone splashed. I don't know if it was him or if Cyclic said he splashed. I don't know.
Don't be down.
It's
I'm not
so
down, I'm not down. I'm just
They sent
thinking
one, then the MC went down
immediately, yeah. I would have been watching him as well if I don't have to catch.
I got kicked and don't lose my pockets again. I mean, this game just...
But you splashed once when he was blundering the left.
I don't know, I don't think so. I didn't get a sound for it. Didn't look
Nice.
like-
Appreciate the follow, I'm in.
I love pigs. How about you?
They open a lot of left holes. Just fix the left hole first.
Left
Our
or-
angle,
What did you saw the left?
our angle was a bit scuffed by the way because I had to reball and I raised mid with copper. But we should have been okay.
Snakes are
Yeah,
nuisance
I don't
to
know.
me now. Please don't scare me.
I think we can all agree Cyclic made a little oopsie.
See.
It's okay, I don't mind.
Don't forget the animals.
Happens, I guess.
Do you have
I
that
don't-
also for sure?
I don't...
Oh,
not
no.
really. Just the blunder through the back.
Because like they were
It was.
hurting like instantly. They were
I
hurting a lot.
you were open
mean, if
good,
they-
I
if
opened
they-
front.
Yeah, but they have 3 people up long. We did, so they were hurting less than we are. Depends on how
Alright.
Flex is
Not
playing it.
after I come back for Blood with Cooper, I double touched the back.
You need to remember they always play aggro. Like they will send flex very early
Anyway, so, anyway,
or MC.
I don't think every squad go.
I mean, they sent Flex over, but 100% MC went down right after that.
Next time if they send flex over, just focus back because he will bucket, and then he will go patch.
Yeah.
I'll
It
be
wasn't
back.
even that. Just they had 3 up because I had to adjust angle, so I wasn't on shots as much. But still, them sending the border didn't mean that we had more pressure at that time. Otherwise, Cyclic will call you down, you know?
Yeah, I know, yeah.
Squad boy.
No, but I called him down because I was pushing front. I full push front and I had to come back and the water was high. After I double pushed the back, they took back all. I
Like,
full lowered the water when he was wandering and I was pushing one.
Watch your
they,
video when you
they
face
focus a
Happy
lot
Face,
on
your
front,
first
like,
loss maybe
if you have
some
left front,
better.
you just patch it.
Yeah.
Or just
Yes,
ignore
but-
the
That's a
front.
long time ago, the Happy
The
Feet
front
fight.
were full patched.
Can't remember. It was
But yeah,
very long
when I
ago.
went down, they opened it again. That's why I thought.
Let's buy guys, come.
I don't know, but I can know if there is a frontal.
Yeah, it don't matter, come by. Okay, planks. Everyone ready?
Yep.
Go. And the balls. Go. Dribbles. Go. Go.
What's wrong with my hair? It's a little long. Looks good though, like all messy and long. We took all the crates, right?
There we got everything.
I think now that we got 7.
We didn't grab any flags.
Yeah. That's exactly why we didn't grab any flags. Reaper.
One more.
Let's go.
One more roll.
I think
Think.
I won't say it till later. But I'll try something. Not in these fights.
Now we need to go close.
We can ask for cannon.
Do I shave hair? No, I always have curly hair.
Oh,
You don't want to?
Naturally curly.
Okay. Let's probably them again.
just get close and we play aggressive. We send you soon. And I come down.
No, but it was fine all the time.
Yeah, but I know that. I'm just saying that because we are low on subs. That's why.
I mean, I could also just go instantly and hope they don't check ladder.
Yo,
Yo yo.
Ouais.
juste, j'ai fait de parler en anglais. Juste, Lolo il a dit que si on stack et que vous nous ramiez, il allait blunder. Il s'en foutait que la dernière fois il l'avait dit. Voilà, c'est tout.
Okay.
What did he say? Quoi?
If we ram, they will blunder.
Okay. Like, we don't. Okay. Like, everybody does that, it's nothing new.
This guy is so smart.
Just lead. They will have island wave as well.
If you
Should I
run us,
go- should I
shoot
go
you.
with it?
They go.
Not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet.
I am no all, no. I am no all.
Go, go, go. Maybe
Now you can go.
But somebody shoot! Ball one.
Oh, perfect.
Chop, chop as well.
Only top, I'm top.
have lowest.
I don't care.
Oof, no chance.
Kill one. Tank down.
How much pressure you have, Cyclic?
You want me to go here?
Come on.
Just pump them. It's fine. One at that angle. Just get behind them, Snowy.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Well, we need their broad.
We lost front.
I should just have camped the balcony instead of this.
Give me two buckets, Tony.
What?
Come down.
Okay.
Okay, go up.
Lulu, she's one.
I can stay, go up, go up.
Two shooting.
Up front, maybe?
No.
Get out of
No,
the
we
angle.
lost front. I just got.
Okay.
Maybe patch it and drop it.
No,
How
no.
many shooting?
We don't have. I don't want to move and
They
get
don't have
behind them.
angle actually. Go, 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 go. They don't have
Okay.
angle. They're raising angle. Shoot angle.
Shoot anchors.
I'm hitting anchor.
Yeah, got it up.
Yeah, they did. It's also good we can pump more.
The ego me.
Beach back.
The ego me.
Okay. I pumped.
That's.
I pumped good as well.
In the water with me 10-15 seconds. You're gonna
Back.
get up cannons for a long time, I guess.
Yeah, they weren't shooting at all.
I'm going. Beach back.
You sure?
Yeah,
They sunk.
they sunk.
What you look at
Yeah.
that?
I was fucking hitting Greg a lot.
And I was just spamming my food, so like they didn't kill me for so long.
For sure they were catching because I was aiming back and I hit Greg like 4 to 5 times. That's why I went.
The early board is so OP. I guess climb up, one blunder, hang them, and then they're gonna waste time killing me.
Rep and drop front.
No,
I think I bought Greg, by the way. I bought the B.
that was good timing. You actually bought him because they were kind of. Hey, Tony. They were kind of unaware.
They were ego a lot. That's why I only aim back.
Double front.
Turn a little, turn left.
Please, if you arm us, I will shoot you.
Start a boon. Anyone?
Huh?
Turn left a little bit.
Nice. I'll
Maybe
start
it's fine.
with barrel.
Go left so I can hop on you.
Yeah, take the wood in this one, Tony. Just grab the crate and put the wood down. Did you get that main crate, Snowy?
Yeah, it's here.
Okay, did you get the food, or do I can grab it here?
Should I grab here?
Yeah,
Don't grab the flex.
it's fine.
Reflect.
You don't want Greg selling. Joke.
Oh, it's for your guild.
About the few kills. Yeah, exactly.
You
Come
guild,
here.
but you're in.
Yeah, come here. Look.
Yeah.
Yeah, where's all the food?
By the way, didn't use the. Yeah, no, yeah, used.
They only had that Snowy. Where's the manx?
I don't know. That's what they had.
This one.
Mains is
Tony, yeah, haram.
Bro, I didn't
Before I
take.
called before I called down, I had like 5 tier 3 open. I was holding them on all time.
You just use that as
One more low, it was like stay down all the time.
Grab it, Tony. Okay. Tony,
What?
take your MC crate, man.
I
Oh, that's
put
it.
one.
That's the This one. Take this one that you just took. This one. Yes. We can go, guys. Do my votes.
Uyan alone.